Checking your flight details using your PNR number.
Hello, fellow travelers. In today's video, we're going to learn how to check our flight details using just our PNR number. No more confusion, no more worry about lost emails or paper tickets. Your PNR number is your one-stop solution to all your flight detail needs.
What is a PNR number?
Before we dive in, let's briefly discuss what a PNR number is. PNR, or Passenger Name Record, is a unique code provided to you at the time of your booking. It is your personal identifier in the airline's database, storing information about your flight and personal details.
Where can I find my PNR number?
You can find your PNR number on the e-ticket or the flight confirmation email you received when you booked your ticket. It's usually a 6-character alphanumeric code, right at the top of your ticket. Remember to keep it handy and safe.
How do I check my flight details with my PNR number?
Now, let's get to the main part. Here are the steps to check your flight details using your PNR number. 1. Visit the airline's official website from which you have booked your ticket. 2. Look for an option such as Manage Booking or My Trips in the menu. Click on it. 3. You will be prompted to enter your PNR number or booking reference number. Enter your PNR number here. 4. After submitting, your flight details will appear on the screen. This will include information like flight number, flight time, seat number, and other essential details.
What if I can't find my PNR number?
If you can't find your PNR number, don't panic. You can usually retrieve it by contacting the airline's customer service or revisiting your email inbox for the booking confirmation mail. And that's it. With your PNR number, you can have all your flight details at your fingertips. Remember to keep your PNR number secure and handy whenever you're flying. We hope you found this video helpful. Safe travels!